Good afternoon, welcome to Lance and Sandra Show. I'm Lance.
I'm Sandra.
So what are we making today?
Today I wanted to try some keto bagels. So, and we are using cottage cheese. I've seen a lot of different recipes, but I had some cottage cheese that I wanted to use up. So it calls for 1 cup of cottage cheese. And I've seen some different variations of it as far as straining your cottage cheese. This one I'm actually going to just blend with 1 egg. And I really like the way it blends in this, so I'm just going to get it in here.
That's a take-home container from somewhere, huh?
Yes, 1 egg, room temperature.
Now what are we making? Bagels?
Bagels.
Okay.
All right. So take my hand mixer here.
The handy dandy hand mixer.
And I'm just going to blend until it's smooth. I just want to get everything in there.
Do I need to hold it?
All right, make some noise here. All right, good enough.
Just 1 egg and 1 cup of
1 egg.
1 cup of cottage cheese
Cottage
blended.
cheese blended.
We've already preheated the oven to what? 350?
350. Quite a bit in there. All right. So, from what I've seen, they want you to use a KitchenAid. I do have a full KitchenAid mixer
In storage.
in storage. So we're gonna just do this as we go, and I'm just gonna mix it with my wooden spoon. The recipe calls for 2 cups of almond flour.
You got that hand mixer, would that do it? No?
No,
Just gonna do it by hand.
I'm just
huh?
gonna do it by hand,
Old-fashioned way.
old-fashioned way. I got almond flour, and then it called for 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Let me just look at my recipe there. Oh, baking powder. Uh-oh, just about made a mistake. I'm glad I double checked that.
I don't know what the difference is.
I don't know the difference either, but it is baking powder. And it looked like it was heaping from the video that I watched. I know they have like a cleaner ingredient, baking powder and baking soda that doesn't have added chemicals in them. Like, I think one of them was aluminum, I think. Anyways, so I'm gonna
Add the mixture.
add the mixture, and I'm gonna hand mix it with my wooden spoon.
Well, it almost looks like vanilla yogurt.
So we will see how this turns out, only because from the video I watched, it was done in a KitchenAid, which is in storage. All right. I'm just gonna mix, and we will see how this turns out. The texture of the mixture, they did say it will be a little sticky. And you can add more flour, almond flour.
How many is this supposed to make? A couple?
I think. And then the video I watched, she made 6, and she actually had a donut
Pan or
pan
something?
that she used, and it looked like it.
You know what I see? Rice Krispie treats.
Only because he cheated and had some Rice Krispie treats. I found his wrapper. He can't hide from me. I knew it.
My favorite snack.
All right. I think this looks pretty good. So they did recommend, because it is, if you can see it, it's kind of got a wet texture to it. I'm just going to wet my hands and just...
Do you want to spray this?
Yes, please. Wet my hands, and then we're going to try to come up with the best shape we can. And we haven't made this before, so like I said, we're just here trying to make better eating habits, and that one's a little bigger.
How long do you have to cook these for?
It is recommended 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. I guess I could, these are actually not looking too bad.
Yeah. Put a little sugar on them, you got a donut.
Well, one video said that, you know, you can put some monk fruit on top of, sprinkle a little monk fruit.
Yeah.
Just
And
to give it that sweetness.
Mm-hmm. But I was watching one and some guy put all bagel or whatever that thing is you have up there.
Why don't you grab one of
And
those?
the poppy seeds and other different kinds of them. I know. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, let's do this is very wet.
I don't even know what's in, huh?
It's got a yellow.
Here's one here. Everything bagel. Put it on just a couple. I didn't. Wasn't pill.
All right.
I don't like that. What else do you put on bagels?
She also had some onion powder. I know you like onion, so if you wanna.
Do we have poppy seeds or anything like that?
No poppy seeds.
Onion powder. Onion bagel?
All right. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Just a little bit here.
Oh, egg wash first.
Oh,
So let me wash my hands.
okay. So put onion powder on one and everything bagel on some of the others. Unless you can think of something else we need. Do we have any poppy seeds or anything like that?
No.
More stuff.
All right. So we're just gonna do an egg wash. Just gonna mix this up. Can you give me a fork?
Yes. You use the whites and everything?
And then the
The what?
the baster.
This?
Oh, you know what I forgot? Yes,
What?
salt. We will see how
In
this
there?
turns out. Yes, we had
Put
to
it in
have
there. It'll soak in.
just a dash. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and add my egg wash to the top. It is not necessary, but I think it just adds really pretty color when they're cooking. It gives it kind of a golden brown that we're gonna be looking for.
You know, we might be able to put some little bit of cheese on another one.
Oh.
Don't they make cheese bagels?
They do. We could have put some
You still can while it's cooking. Put it on like towards the end, so there's
cheese
some
on
brown.
top.
Yeah, just on one. Just try them all out.
All right. I have my wash is not getting on there very well. All right.
I'm gonna put. So are you done with that? I'll
So
put a little
go-
bit of onion in here.
So make sure we separate these, and you know which one is yours, because I do not like onion.
You'll be able to smell it. I'll just do this one right here. Lightly. Okay.
All right,
Put
and
that on a
then
couple.
we're gonna put a couple on here. I did have my oven preheated. I'll do 3. All right.
I guess we don't have anything else to put on them.
Oh, you can smell that onion. It is in the everything bagel, so
Yeah, so you can smell it on both
you
actually.
can smell it on both.
So you got everything bagel, plain, onion.
Onion, and then we'll go ahead and grate a little bit of cheese, and then just before they come out, we'll go ahead and
Put one
top
on
them
one.
off. Yep. So we'll be back. Get these in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes.
Okay. Okay, they should be about ready here.
All right.
There it is. Let me turn that off. Turn everything off.
All right. I can say that you definitely want to have
Some kind of pan or
some
something?
kind of pan. These did go a little flat, but I think they still turned out really good.
They're bigger than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be each two.
Utuku in
Utuku.
Inupiaq means small.
I thought they were going to be smaller than this, the way they rolled up. Of course, I didn't think they were going to flatten out like this with the flour and the baking soda. Soda or powder?
Baking powder.
Baking powder. So this is these are the 3 with the
Everything
bagel. This is the onion,
This one has onion. This one's plain.
plain.
And then the last 3 minutes,
I threw some Parmesan cheese on that one right there.
so we're gonna let these cool. Probably won't cut them in half. I'll probably flip them on the other side and put my cream cheese on it. I even thought about doing salmon spread with some of the cream cheese.
Yeah, that might be good. Do you think you're gonna slice those like a real bagel? They're pretty thin.
No, I said I don't think I'll slice mine.
Oh,
I think
okay.
I'll turn it over and
Eat it that way.
eat it that way.
Okay.
But they feel pretty firm. So we will be back and let you know how they taste.
Once they cool down a little bit, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna try them, huh?
We decided not to let these cool all the way. I feel like a
Warm bagel.
warm bagel would be really nice.
Well, the bottoms turned out nice.
The bottoms turned out really nice. Not too bad with the smell as far as onion. We did soften up the cream cheese just in case
Oh, everything bagel has onion in it too, huh?
it does. I don't know which one you want.
I'm gonna try the onion one. Let's check the insides.
Well, not too bad.
Kind of like
Cookie crumble or something.
something.
All right.
Go ahead and try it. What do you think? It tastes like a bagel?
It doesn't have the same consistency as a bagel would, but
It has more of a consistency of cornbread.
cornbread, yes. But
Pretty good.
but this is a better alternative for
bagels
us.
and cornbread, right?
Yes. So
Cream cheese would be good.
I think in the future, Lance recommended because we don't have an actual donut pan, that we would use our cupcake pan and then maybe bake it upside down.
If that'd work, I wonder. Just something I thought of while we were sitting here looking at these.
Anyways,
Anyway, that's it, I think, huh?
that is good afternoon snack before dinner. We have some cod that we're having and some more cauliflower that we need to use up and salad.
Yep.
So thanks for joining us.
Till next time, thanks for watching Lance and Sandra Show. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
All right.
Bye-bye.